Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about the basics of drawing mandala from circles to grids, everything step by step. So let's get started. We will need a pencil, an eraser, a compass, a ruler and a protractor. You can use this compass also or you can use the fancy one. I'm using this semicircle protractor. You can also use pro circle because it will be easy for you to mark the grids. I'm using 100 GSM paper. You can use more than 100 GSM paper. If you want to use watercolors to highlight the background, you can use 300 GSM paper and it will be easier for you to use watercolor and it will be water resistant too. So now I'm now measuring the page, and through this method we will find the midpoint. We will draw a horizontal and a vertical line to find the midpoint, and once we find the midpoint we'll take the measurements, 0.5 centimeter measurements, to draw the circle. So now we'll draw the vertical and the horizontal line. And yes, if you're not happy with any of the patterns or line you have drawn, you can erase it anytime you want to. It is not bad to erase anything. If you're not happy, you can erase it. So now we will take 0.5 centimeters measurement. We are taking 0.5 centimeter measurements now, and we will start drawing circles after finding the midpoint. Now we can start drawing circle by using the 0.5 centimeter measurements we have already taken. So we will follow this process till the required length we want, and then we can proceed further. after making circles, and now we'll take the protractor and mark 10 centimeters in each of the sides to draw grids. So now we will take the ruler and we will form grids. It should intersect the midpoint, and the line should be aligned properly to intersect the midpoint in each and every formation of grids. We will continue this till the end, and we are done with the first step of creating mandala, of drawing mandala rather. If you like the video, do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.